Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for research purposes. Now, using ChatGPT for research purposes is actually one of the main primary things ChatGPT was actually created for, allowing people to use it for research purposes, but also allowing the bot and also the AI to gain as much knowledge from people as possible. ChatGPT has got endless amount of information from the internet, allowing people and users to find basically anything into research. So if I were to find something and I want to find some facts, say a sentence and ask it, can you find me some facts about karate? And this will tell you some research based on karate. This will tell you the facts, and this will tell you where it's been made from, what sport it is, what ranges, what techniques it used and stuff. And you can use it for absolutely anything. It will tell you about 11 to 12 different facts based on research that's found from Wikipedia or any other sources. This is one way. Or you can say, can you research me some unusual facts about the ocean? And this will tell you some unusual facts about the ocean, allowing you to understand more about how big the ocean is and how we can't even comprehend that we only know 10% of it actually. And it'll tell you more and more facts about it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.